Here's a quick look from the eMiniDayTrader perspective for Thursday, April the 2nd, 2009. Well, we had been speaking that if the market could reach above 809, it would be a very bullish indication. And of course, overnight the market had a pause in that area after the good up day yesterday. This is the overnight session I'm referring to. This is that little pause after the regular trading hours closed. This is our profile and what took place yesterday. And of course, here we have the continuation up today. So everything's on the up and up. Possible support back down, perhaps in the 809 area. But this market is looking pretty bullish, and the next major resistance is around 870. So it's not going to go there tomorrow, I don't think. It may go there next week, however. Here's the individual profiles on a day-to-day basis, and you can see them just in a little bit more detail. We had the gap down on Monday. It was partially closed on Tuesday, fully closed yesterday, and of course today we had the follow-through. So everything is looking pretty bullish right now. As far as our trades were concerned, we had 5 trades today, and our very first trade was a real nice one because in concert with our expectation of higher prices, we had a nice deceleration bar right here, so we're able to get long and participate in some of this up auction. So that worked out very nicely. We then had another opportunity after these resistance areas were formed. We had another opportunity to get long, and that really worked out beautifully because our entry in around the 833 area, we were able to capture a good hunk of the move as it rallied up to hitting almost 839. And so our first 2 trades were actually the best trades of the day, which were the long trades, which is really what our preferred trade direction was for today. We then had another attempt to get long as the market dipped here. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a break-even day. The market did move a point in our direction, but then turn around. We had another couple of trades. As the market came up, it came into our known support area in here, and then we were anticipating a bit of a pop-up and then a sell-off. We got short in here a little too early, so we ended up by losing. It did move 3 ticks in our favor, not filled on that, so we were actually stopped out for 3 ticks on our full position. But then we got in later on that down move as it sold off here. Our traders who were using our little bit of a longer time frame perspective did very well on that as the market kind of went jigsawed back and forth and then had about a 10-point move in our direction. Although this trade on our 1 minute actually turned out to be a break-even trade, it did quickly move a point in our favor and then turn around and stop that trade out at break-even. But still a profitable trade, and we're looking forward to some more upward movement over perhaps tomorrow and certainly next week with the 809 area, 825 area, and 823 area as possible support areas heading into tomorrow. So that'll be it for the trades and a look at the market for Thursday, April the 2nd, 2009. If you have any kind of inclination to follow us and get a little bit more detail, we're at eMiniDayTrader.com, or just send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Thanks.